Oh, this is the Optus building. Got a glass lift. It's Regen. Built in 2020. Of course, we call it the crappy ones. Capacity 1160 kilos, 15 persons. Oh, you can call cancel. Can you? Oh, you can. Cool. Well, this is my first time doing a call cancel feature on this video, so that's good. It's good to know. Excuse me. That's something I discovered. That's the call cancel feature. Now, usually I don't do that in some of my videos, so this is the first time of me trying that out, thanks to other elevator enthusiasts. Oh God, so I'm just having this issue where I'm clearing my throat quite a lot, so you're probably going to hear a bit of me doing that. It's a weird bridge though. Honestly, Regens are not my favourite because panels are too tinny. It's not durable enough though, so that's a shame. We're into basement 1. Basement 1. Yeah, I don't know what the main building's like, so I'm not going to try that out. Here it goes, and that's it.